In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate stout cupcakes with Irish cream icing. Hey guys, my name is Erin and I get really excited about holiday sweet treats. And with St. Patty's Day coming up, this is the perfect time to make chocolate stout cupcakes with Irish cream icing. You know, with a name like Erin and being a ginger, that makes me an Irish professional, right? I'm here for you. This cupcake recipe is super easy to make. They're moist chocolate cupcakes made with a Guinness beer, packed with mini chocolate chips, and topped with an Irish cream buttercream, and then drizzled with chocolate ganache. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and check out my recipe link below. Let's do this.
Before we get started, I'm going to show you how I messed up this recipe. You see that Duncan Hines box right there? Yeah, that's not supposed to be brownie mix. That's supposed to be cake mix. I grabbed the wrong one out of the pantry and started out by messing up this recipe. So let's see how this follows through. The rest of the ingredients are fine. We are using a small box of instant chocolate pudding mix, 4 ounces Guinness beer, 6 ounces vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 1 bag of mini chocolate chips. In fact, one specialty item that I've seen in a few grocery stores is Irish cream chocolate chips, so you could use those in the place of the regular chocolate chips, but we're using mini today. Not pictured as the 8 ounces of sour cream, but that I did realize when I went to go mix everything together. I'm on a roll today, y'all. Think I might need some of that Irish cream now that I think about it. Start adding all of your ingredients except for the chocolate chips to a medium-sized mixing bowl or a standing mixer. Oh wait, oh yeah, need that sour cream, duh. Can't forget the sour cream, especially since you're using the wrong box mix. This is fantastic. It's fine, I'm fine, everything is fine. Especially since we have some Irish cream nearby. Once we get all of our ingredients in, we are going to beat that for about 1 minute until it's well incorporated. From here, we are going to add our chocolate chips and stir those in really well. And what's funny is that I was sitting there thinking, wow, this batter seems really thin. It's because of the mix. So to be completely honest, this is quite comical to me watching the process now that I know what happened, because it really does explain why I was thinking, gosh, the consistency is just abnormally different than it normally is. Once you get your batter scooped into your cupcake liners, this actually makes about 3 dozen. Pop these in a 350-degree oven for about 22 minutes. When our cupcakes are done baking and are cooling, it's time to make the Irish cream icing. Beat softened butter at high speed for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to add half of our powdered sugar and Irish cream to incorporate in there and start mixing it again. It's time to add the remaining amount of our powdered sugar and Irish cream. Be careful because it tends to attack you as it comes out of the mixer. So just be prepared. Try to mix it on slow and then up the speed so it doesn't attack you like it does right here. Don't be afraid to take a whiff because this stuff smells incredible. Right here is the creamy consistency that we are really trying to get. When our icing is ready, we are going to put a 1M cake decorating tip. That's what I like to use for piping on top of cupcakes, into a pastry bag and start spooning some of it in there. Okay, so you see how these little cupcakes are pretty low and they didn't puff up and take up the entire cupcake liner? That is the difference between cake mix and brownie mix. For a garnish, you can use chocolate ganache, chocolate syrup, or more chocolate chips. Here I'm using chocolate ganache.
Here we are, my favorite part of the video. As I've said 2,300 times, it's time to eat one of these little babies. And I'll be honest, I do like how the smaller cupcakes, you can just bite right into it instead of, with the huge cupcakes, but Next time around, I will make the cupcakes a little bit bigger.
I'm literally laughing at myself right now.
But it does keep them nice and protected and moist inside the wrapper. Oh, look at that. Ooh! You ready? I'm gonna eat you. I talk to my food. Everybody does, right? Mmm. Mmm. That's ridiculous. Mmm. God, that's good. The chocolate chip is about to fall out. Mmm. The Irish, you can really taste the Irish cream and the icing with the chocolate stout. Oh my God. Oh. Mmm. That is some good stuff. Mmm. Oh God, you're so good. That wraps it up for today. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Do I have chocolate on my face? I feel like I have chocolate on my face. Tastes good.